Very important update about JEE Council Uttar Pradesh Polytechnic Entrance Examination 2026. Finally, answer key and response sheet get released. How to download them? Listen carefully. Go to the official website jeecup.admissions.nic.in jeecup.admissions.nic.in. There is a link is provided. Click on that link and fill application number and password or date of birth. Submit. You can get them. Also, if you have any doubt about any answer, then for the correction window is open for the 4 days. Required 100 rupees per answer, and you can take benefit of it. For the right answer, you get 4 marks. For the wrong answer, reduction of 1 mark. The examination is very important. It is entrance examination for the diploma and polytechnic. So must share this important information for the student. If you like, subscribe, share. Thanks.